Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these Mutter two-piece nail clippers. So first off, I've never seen nail clippers like this. What a great design. It's got, instead of the one little tiny like hook thing in there that gets undone all the time, this has just these solid piece that runs through there and keeps that. So this should be a lot stronger. Also, the handle has this indentation in it, so it's nice for your fingers to go right in there and not slip out of it. Most of the other handles I've ever seen, just solid and they're kind of slippery. This has this little spring in here. This just folds over, and also if you want to use it as a nail clipper, just boom, and then it goes just like that. But look at the precision here. It's very nice as far as like just closing all the way. Here, if we see if we can focus on that. Oh, it doesn't want to. It wants to focus on my face. It's incredible. Anyways, but it is very precise here. Just like on a cuticle or something. And no tearing or anything like that. So like for hangnails and things like this thing is just gonna, look at that. Very nicely done. And then when you want to, it's got a wide mouth on here too. A lot of other clippers, they about to open about that far, and that's it. This one can open up all that way. So if you need to clip like possibly like cloth or something like that, that would work too. And it also has this little neodyne magnet here in the end, so that'll kind of help. You go like that and it flattens out to just like that. This one is a 2-pack though, and it comes with this like toenail clipper too. And this one is, you can feel it's like solid metal. It's really solid and there's like no gap in there at all. It's like really, see that? There's just zero gap. It cuts really nicely. So once again, you fold this open and it has that wide, opens up wide. So trim some nails here. Just super easy, super precise. No tearing, no anything like that. I don't have a lot of nails to clip here, but also, yeah, it's just really smooth. And this one feels like super sturdy. They both do, like it's like solid metal pieces. A lot of other clippers you got, like I said, it just has that one little hook in there and that can come undone and things like that. So I'm really impressed with these. The quality and the craftsmanship seems really nice. I like that, like solid metal. Easy to grip. A lot of times when you're, I don't know, just out of the shower or something, you got lotion on your hands and then you're trying to cut your nails and it's just slipping down on this like a normal handle with there's no grip on or anything. I like that this has this diamond thing too. And if you wanted to, you could also put a little hook and you could hang that on maybe inside your cabinet or something like that, drawer, and that way you just be really accessible. So super nice. I'm really impressed with these guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next time.